Hey, welcome back to Sheet Shiksha. I'm your host, Sourab, and today I'm pumped to introduce you to our hero, the SuperSumif function. It's not just any function, it's like the superhero of Excel. But hold on to your hats, because before we unleash this Excel superhero, let's take a peek at our trusty old buddy, Sumif. Sumif, folks, it's a daily use function. Reliable, but it's got some quirks, you know? Let's dive in. Here's a table of data. Now, suppose we need to find Q2 total sales in the electronics category. We start with equals, then type SUMIF, then the first bracket, and select the lookup range, usually categories for electronics. Then comes the comma, and we select the lookup value, which is electronics. Excel will find it within the lookup range. Another comma follows, and we specify the sum range, the Q2 sales column. Close the brackets, and bam! You've got the total sales of electronics for Q2. But wait, there's more excitement ahead. If you need the total sales for Q2, 3, and 4 of the electronics category, it's time to get creative. You can either use SUMIF 3 times, or use another helper column to sum Q2 to Q4 individually. Remember, in SUMIF, we can't use more than one column as the sum range. So get ready, folks. It's time to supercharge your Excel skills with the SuperSumif function. Introducing SuperSumif, not your average Excel function, but a remarkable tool crafted by yours truly to tackle a specific challenge head-on. To unleash its power, you'll need to dive into the realm of VBA. Ready? Hold down Alt and hit F11 to step into the VBA editor. Once inside, let's create a module. It's easy. Just click Insert, then Module. There it is, waiting for you. Open it up and paste in the code I've provided. A simple Control-V will do the trick. Close the VBA editor and return to your spreadsheet, ready to work wonders. Now in Excel, it's time to summon the magic. Begin with an equal sign, as always. Then type SuperSumif. Open those brackets and start your journey. Choose your lookup range. Perhaps column F holds the category you seek, like electronics, which will be lookup value. Then, let's pick the sum range. But here's where it gets truly extraordinary. SuperSumif can handle multiple columns. Let's sum up all those quarters from column H to K. Close the bracket and hold your breath. Voila! Behold the result. Precise and pristine, courtesy of SuperSumif. It's not just a function, it's a game changer. Whether you're in the office, school, or tackling a project, this tool sets you apart from the rest. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this, and please share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of Sheet Shiksha.
Thanks for watching. For more related content, please like, subscribe and press the bell button. And feel free to comment.